Hey everyone, there are a few different ways to add and remove page breaks in Google Docs. I'll walk you through each method so you can pick what works best for you. The first method is using the Insert menu. Open your document and click where you want the page break to go. Then click Insert in the top menu bar. In the drop-down that appears, click Break, and from the sub-menu that pops out, select Page Break. The content after your cursor will immediately jump to the top of the next page. That's your page break inserted. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, here's a faster option. Place your cursor where you want the break, then press Ctrl-Enter on Windows or Command+Enter on Mac. Google Docs will insert the page break right there, and you'll see the content shift to a new page instantly. The third way is using Google Docs' Smart Typing feature. Place your cursor where you want the break and type @break. A menu will pop up with break options. Select Page Break from that list. The break gets inserted and your content moves to the next page. Now for removing page breaks. Scroll through your document and find the page break you want to delete. It shows up as a dashed line with the words Page Break written between the dashes. Click just below that line to place your cursor there, then press Backspace on your keyboard. Keep pressing until the page break disappears. The content that was pushed to the next page should shift back up and merge with the page above. If you're having trouble spotting where your page breaks are, there's one more trick. Go to View in the top menu bar and click Show Non-Printing Characters. This makes all your page breaks and formatting marks visible in the document. Once you can see them clearly, place your cursor where you want to delete the break and hit Backspace to remove it. The content will merge back together. Here are a few quick tips. These features only work if your document is in Pages format, which is the default for most documents. If you accidentally delete the wrong break, just press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo. Page breaks appear as dashed lines in your document, so you may need to scroll to find them if your document is long. Thanks for watching.